Overground pools are a great way to enjoy the perks of swimming without dedicating to the expense and durability of an in-ground swimming pool. They're additionally very easy to put in, helping make them a prominent option for property owners who wish to incorporate a pool to their backyard without possessing to stand by months for building. If you're considering mounting an above-ground pool, below are some specialist pointers that will certainly aid make the method simple and very easy. One, choose the right spot. The initial measure in putting up an above-ground swimming pool is opting for the right area in your garden. Look for a degree location with excellent drainage that's totally free of rocks and particles. You'll also yearn for to help make sure there's adequate space around the swimming pool for safety and security and servicing functions. 2. Prepare the internet site. Once you've selected your place, it's opportunity to prepare the site. Remove away any type of turf or plants, then utilize a shovel or sod cutter machine to remove approximately 3 to 4 inches of topsoil from the region where your pool will definitely be located. This will make a level surface for your swimming pool. 3. Develop your foundation.